I came across another great podcast and I want to share the highlights with you. Afnan's story is proof that you can rewrite your financial destiny with great self belief and strategy. So, these are the key points I picked from the close to 1 hour long conversation. Let's start. Lesson number one, start small but think big. Afnan's journey began with restaurant jobs as she was just telling her story. She had to endure late hours, little pay, zero glamour. But those jobs built her resilience and gave her first-hand lessons on the value of money and hard work. So don't despise small beginnings. Use those moments to build discipline and understand cash flow, even if it's just from tips or hourly wages. Leverage those early jobs for financial resilience. Remember, no job is too small. Just prioritize discipline, saving habits, and learning from inconsistent income. How do you budget? How do you save? How do you survive? Because that early hustle will teach you grit. Those early jobs, according to her, grounded her work ethic. It taught her resilience under pressure and helped shape her money mindset. So reflect on your situation and ask yourself if you're using every job, no matter how small, to practice the habits of a financially responsible person. I know I have gained for this. I may have the one subscriber, but I will not despise my work no matter how small I am right now. I know I will get where I want to get. Next, confidence is currency. At one point, Afnan realized she was shrinking herself. So she was apologizing for existing, but that changed when she started showing up boldly, especially online. Her confidence became a money magnet. So, confidence is a financial lever. She talks about embracing her voice and assertiveness. Believing in herself was a pivotal shift that translated into taking leaps into her business and income. So be confident because confidence opens doors. It attracts clients, investors, collaborators, but insecurity will repel them. Invest in yourself and your mindset. Self confidence will influences risk taking and capital seeking behavior. Therefore, build your confidence like a skill. Speak up, pitch yourself, learn the language of money. Just be confident. Next, you have to trust the process. There are no shortcuts. So she talks about seasons of doubt when growth was slow and the money wasn't flowing yet. But she didn't quit. She stayed faithful to the process and leaned into her faith even during the hard times. So financial growth is like planting seeds. You don't see the fruit immediately, but you water them anyway. So trust the process and have faith. Your faith will allow you to endure the slow growth phases while maintaining the long term vision that you have. Therefore, just have patience in your wealth building journey. Sustainable growth beats quick wins. When you're chasing quick wins, you want something fast, fast. No, just have long term thinking and align yourself to what you want. That is process orientation. Start creating your long term money plan, but don't panic when you're facing delays. You know that idea you have in your mind, just playing through your mind, but you're not doing something about it. No. Build and monetize your brand. Don't wait for permission to build yourself, okay? Afnan didn't wait for permission. She showed up online. She shared her story. She created a personal brand. That brand became her business. So don't despise the idea you have. And remember, personal branding is not vanity, it's value. A distinct, consistent presence online can become a revenue stream for you. So build and monetize your personal brand. So she emphasized the importance of personal branding. You need to showcase your authenticity, you need to build your visibility, you need to own your narrative as a pathway to make money. Okay? So start posting valuable content, document your journey. Let your brand be a magnet for income, whether it's through courses or it's through consulting, affiliate deals, or products. Just do something about it. Remember, if people trust your voice, they'll trust your offers. Don't wait for permission to do the thing that you're thinking about. Just do it. This was interesting. Come closer, come closer. Master money in relationships. Afnan brings up the topic of money that many people avoid in relationships. So she emphasizes the need for financial clarity before entering partnerships. Independence is not optional. According to her, independence is not optional. So she aligns finances with relationships. So you have to have those money discussions. You have to check whether you have shared goals, and you have to insist on financial autonomy within your relationships, because financial roles in relationships matter. And if you don't want to have hiccups later, just have that conversation early on. So, what are your expectations around money in romantic relationships? She suggests that you need clarity, mutual understanding, and financial independence when going into a relationships. You have to have those discussions from the onset of your relationship. So whether you are single, dating, or married, own your own financial life. Know your numbers. Have the money conversations early and avoid emotional spending traps. In close connection to the last point, remember that financial independence gives you power. Afnan makes it clear being financially independent is about freedom and dignity, especially for women. It's not about survival, it's about having options. Financial independence for women is so important. She underscores independence. You should be able to support yourself. You should be able to build wealth regardless of your relationship status, and that is a foundation for empowerment and confidence. Okay? So check what you need. Do you need a budget that works? Do you need multiple income streams that you control? Do you need investments that grow without you trading time for money? You have to check. Pick one area, okay? And just work on it and build your financial independence. Build your confidence. Work on content creation. Do your budgeting well. Just make sure you build your independence and start working on it today. Okay? So there you have it, my 1 million friends. Over to you.